Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In today's video we will talk about types of rectifier: half-wave rectifier, full-wave rectifier, bridge rectifier, center tap rectifier, voltage multiplier rectifier, diode rectifier, half-wave rectifier. The half-wave rectifier is the simplest type of rectifier. It consists of a single diode connected in series with a load resistor and the input AC voltage. The diode conducts current only when the input voltage is positive and blocks it when the input voltage is negative. As a result, only the positive half cycle of the input voltage appears across the load resistor, resulting in a pulsating DC voltage output. This type of rectifier is used in low-power applications and is not efficient because it uses only half of the input waveform. Full-wave rectifier. The full-wave rectifier is a more efficient rectifier than the half-wave rectifier. It uses both the positive and negative half cycles of the input AC voltage to produce a DC voltage. The full-wave rectifier can be implemented in two ways: using a center-tapped transformer and using a bridge rectifier circuit. Center-tapped full-wave rectifier. This type of rectifier uses a center-tapped transformer to produce two out-of-phase voltages. The two diodes are used to rectify the two out-of-phase voltages, resulting in a DC voltage across the load resistor. The center-tapped full-wave rectifier is simple and efficient, but it is used in low-power applications only. Bridge full-wave rectifier. This type of rectifier uses four diodes arranged in a bridge configuration to produce a DC voltage. The input voltage is applied to the diagonally opposite corners of the bridge, and the output voltage is taken across the load resistor connected between the other two corners. The bridge full-wave rectifier is more efficient and compact than the center-tapped full-wave rectifier, and it is widely used in high-power applications. Bridge rectifier. The bridge rectifier is a type of full-wave rectifier that uses four diodes arranged in a bridge configuration to convert the input AC voltage into DC. It is similar to the bridge full-wave rectifier, but it uses four diodes instead of two. The bridge rectifier is more efficient and compact than other rectifiers, and it is commonly used in high-power applications. Center tap rectifier. The center tap rectifier is similar to the half-wave rectifier but uses a center-tapped transformer. The center-tapped transformer produces two out-of-phase voltages, and the load resistor is connected across the two ends of the transformer secondary winding. This type of rectifier produces a higher output voltage than the half-wave rectifier and is commonly used in low-power applications. Voltage multiplier rectifier. The voltage multiplier rectifier is used to generate high DC voltages from low AC voltages. It uses a combination of diodes and capacitors to multiply the input voltage. The voltage multiplier rectifier is used in applications where high DC voltage is required, such as in cathode ray tube, CRT, television sets, oscilloscopes, and other high voltage applications. Diode rectifier. Diode rectifier. It is used to regulate the output voltage by maintaining a constant voltage drop across the diode. When the input voltage is greater than the breakdown voltage of the diode, the diode conducts, allowing current to flow through the load resistor. This type of rectifier is commonly used in low-power applications where a constant output voltage is required. These are some of the common types of rectifiers used in electronic circuits. The choice of rectifier depends on the application and the required output voltage and current.